a good time, a good brew, and a good-looking woman, but not necessarily that order. And when they ask me about it, this is what I tell them. We are not winners, not losers, no 2'FER, just boozers, just beer-drinking country folk trying to survive. Yeah, we love them where we find them, leave them where we love them, and we fight like hell just to stay alive. We're dreamers, not schemers, just average in-betweeners, just good old boys trying to get it on. Yeah, we like country music on the radio, and a cold one before we take it home. Yeah, we're beer-drinking people who just made it through another week. After working 2 jobs, coming home too damn tired to eat. Got some change in the pocket, pretty girl, they're dancing everywhere. So tonight there's gonna be just a little hell raising to the sound of country music.
All right, here we go. Took a solo board down this evening. Shot it with a 223, those Hornady blacks in the head, bulged out the eyes. Really good round. About 110, 115 yards, somewhere in there. One shot to the head, dropped it on the spot. Yeah, I figured since it was by itself, that was a good deal. Won't screw up things with the other packs. It was running the deer off too, so there we go. That's it. Short and sweet.
If you don't like it, boy, you'd better walk. Yeah, we believe in family, love, and the grand ole opera. We stand behind the words that we talk.